Good morning, guys, and welcome back to Ivaintures. Another day, another dollar. I'm here in the beautiful city of Seoul. This is my official first day. A little bit of a rough arrival yesterday. The driver did not believe I was who I was. Anyways, I can say from my initial first impression that it's a little bit intimidating. Oh, my camera is here. Okay, thank you. I ordered an Americano. I can say, guys, one of my biggest frustrations so far has been the fact that Google Maps does not work, Apple Maps does not work. You don't realize how much you rely on these apps until you get out of the country and you want to find a local shop, you want to find an ATM machine, just everything you rely on for, you know, locating yourself is Apple. And they have two different apps here that I've been using, but a lot of it comes with Korean characters, so I'm having a really tough time struggling trying to find things. But hopefully I will get more comfortable with as time goes by how to use those things properly. Anyways, I just wanted to say good morning from wherever you are, good afternoon or good evening from wherever you're watching me. If it's your first time, please kindly subscribe. My name is Ivan. I bring you content from all over the world, and today I'm going to be doing my first impression of Seoul. So for breakfast, they have different type of hot dogs. I have this different, you know, hot dogs here, and then an Americano. And if you're curious what a coffee shop looks like here in Seoul, they have a lot of options, you know. They have a lot of selections. And yeah, man, I was hesitating, you know, this looks good. You have the plain croissants. You have a lot of good choices here. So, you know, this is really close to my hotel. I will show you guys the name outside. The menu is both in Korean and in English. And I was able to order in English, no problem. So that's one good thing for Korea. Now, this was about 9,100 won, and I'll put the conversion in dollars right here. This is Seoul, South Korea, for my very first time here by myself. Woo, let's see how it goes, guys. So guys, the name of the coffee shop is called Tous les jours. It's in French. That's what it was. Tous les jours café. So man, it's cold in here. I got a neck thing, got the head thing. I forgot my ear thing in the room. Man. So, you know I'm not even gonna attempt to take this bus. No. So I'm going to a castle, one of the most popular castles here in Seoul. And I'm not gonna butcher that name. And whoever's watching this from Korea, I'm not gonna butcher that name. I'll write it down right here. Should I take an Uber or should I take a taxi? Let's see how that works. Let's attempt to take a taxi in Seoul, South Korea. There's a couple of them lined up right there. So, wow, beautiful constructions out here, guys. It's nice and clean. Everybody's freezing. My hotel is just right there. So, let's see what's going on. I'm gonna try to first pull a picture of the castle I'm going to, and then see if I can get a taxi here. Hello, you speak English? No, not working? Okay. He didn't have time for me, he went straight for them. Okay. Hello? Speak English? Yeah. You speak English? I'm going to this. No? Okay. Alright. He doesn't want to take me there, but that solves that. So you can already see the challenge with taxis here. They don't speak English. I'm gonna attempt to take an Uber. That's a lot easier. From the L7 hotels here. So guys, I called the Uber. It changed my icon to UT. You see it right there? It still says Uber, but I don't know why it changed it to UT. And it's telling me to meet the driver in a specific place, and that's what I'm walking to right now. It's a little bit complicated, guys. I hope I can figure this out. It's a little bit tough. This is the Myeongdong Station Underground Shopping Center, exit number 7. My app is telling me to meet the driver at 6. I've been walking around like crazy. I still can't figure it out. Man, this is so confusing, man. Man, I hope I can figure it out. Oh shoot, he came. That's him. Perfect. Let's go. Hello.
Paul.
Yes. I'm going to Gwangbok Palace.
어디에?
The palace.
콜 온 거 아니야? 콜?
See, this one.
853 하나 아니야?
Yeah.
853 하나?
Yeah, the palace. This one. Okay. So here we are. We are in a taxi now, and I think he got the right. I think he got the right address. And guys, it's very challenging. That's the first thing about this place. It's just it's a challenge. I would say most people in the businesses like restaurants and coffee shops speak English, but the taxi so far has been tough. I have to attempt taking a train. It might be the best way moving forward, but I wanted to try Uber here and see what happens. So let's go to the old palace. Thank you. All right. Whoa. Hello. Do you speak English? Ticket. I want to get a ticket.
정보고 ticket.
Ticket.
Let's go.
Just go?
네.
Okay. All right, guys. Thank you. Man, you know you've been going to Latin America too much when you're about to say gracias in Korea. I say gracias. Man, that's funny. Okay. All right. So guys, this area is crazy big. And I was reading, oh wow, that's the palace right there. That's it right there. Man. Whoo, this place is so beautiful and confusing. I don't think this is the right place because I don't have any tickets, but let's see. Starting point for, okay. Man, you know what? I need to ask somebody where to buy the tickets because this is a small area and there's another one right there. And I saw a lot of people that way. You can see the contrast between the old buildings and the old original palace. This palace, not this one, that one over there actually burned down, I believe in the 1800s. And they did rebuild it. It's a huge place. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of exploring today. So let's go. So I found someone that can help me. That's amazing. Are you one of the guards here?
No. I'm tourist also.
You're a tourist and you're
Yeah.
all dressed. Man,
Yeah.
where you from?
The Philippines.
The Philippines. I'm going there next.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Manila.
Yeah. I'm from Bohol. You know Bohol?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
In the Panglao Island, you know? Panglao
Yeah.
Island?
Yeah. Okay.
That's where I live.
Nice. Man, I thought he was a traditional Japanese, I mean, a
No,
Korean soldier.
I just rented. I just rented this one.
Yeah. Are you going to the changing of the guard too or no?
No, my wife is here.
Oh, your wife is there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Right on.
Because I bring my son back to the bus. It's very cold.
It's very cold. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, there was an organized tour, but I decided to do this on my own.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
My tourist guide said changing of guards will be here.
Right here?
Oh yes, 10.
Yeah.
10
o'clock.
The ticket here.
Tickets is right there.
Yeah, this one.
Perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna go
And
there
then so that you can go inside over
and
there.
go and explore all of this. Okay,
yeah.
perfect. Thank you so much, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate
Advance Merry
you.
Christmas.
Thank you. Merry Christmas. So yeah, people, very friendly guy from the Philippines. He helped me out because I was already going to the wrong place. So let's go. I came here a little bit early. It's about 9:30. I came early because I heard you have to be early in order to get a good spot, right? So this is the line right here, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the ticket for one adult is 3,001. So let's see. So I got my ticket for 3,001, and I'm here in this courtyard looking for the place where the changing of the guard is going to take place. So let's see. All right, right there. All right, let us scan. Okay, excuse me guys, where is the changing of the guard? Oh, right here. Okay, so I just need to wait right here actually.
No,
So
you already packed.
oh, so I can go ahead. It's gonna happen over there, the changing of the guard.
No. Stand. If you want to go, that's okay.
Okay,
Come.
because I'm a little bit confused.
Come ticket.
Yes, yeah. Here.
시청 한 장만 좀.
So this okay.
After card changing, you see after you can go again.
Oh, okay. No, but the changing of the guard is at 10 o'clock, right?
10 o'clock here.
Like right here?
Okay. This is here. Parade. Big gate parade is here.
Oh, just right here. Okay.
Okay.
So they're coming at 10 o'clock.
Okay. Show me.
Okay. All right. A little bit of a confusing thing. They all say it's going to be right here at 10 o'clock for the changing of the guard. So that's why I see people who are getting lined up already here in this majestic temple that I won't butcher by calling it by the wrong name. So guys, this is also known as the Gyeongbokgung Palace. It's one of the 5th largest palaces in Seoul. It was built during the Joseon dynasty. It's home to the National Folk Museum of Korea and the National Palace Museum of Korea as well. They do offer tours, and I chose not to take one because I wanted to venture on my own. I didn't want to have someone take me here when I knew I could explore, which is the whole point of coming here. I have a tour tonight, but today I wanted to just be free, and that's what I'm doing. I can tell you guys, it's freezing. It's freezing. I'll let you have a little bit of sunlight come in. That's gonna hopefully lower the temperature a little bit. So I'm here along with all the other tourists, waiting for the changing of the guard. Different tourist groups are here, gearing up for the ceremony. When you talk about changing of the guard, being from the DC area, I'm thinking there's gonna be a guard on patrol, and now another one is coming to replace him. What is so confusing about this area here is that I don't see a guard anywhere just yet, but the ceremony is actually going to take place here. You see the groups are starting to come in together. And just so you know, if you're interested in doing this, there's a changing of the guard twice a day. One is at 10 o'clock and the other one is at 2 o'clock. I wanted to just knock it out my schedule, so I figured I'd come to the one at 10. Then I'm going to explore the grounds a little bit more. There's a lot going on here. There's a lot. So I figured this is a great start, starting with traditional, and then let's go and see what else is going on. But yeah, 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock at this palace here. Again, I'm trying not to butcher it too much. Oh, they're a little bit freezing. They're supposed to show some motivation, and they're like, oh. So anyways, let's wait for the changing of the guard to take place, guys. Let's wait and see what happens.
Difference like meet a girl, and difference as meet a girl, you guys know like kick things off.
Yeah.
Probably like the next, I don't know, 1, 2 days, you guys are probably like, I don't know, like a couple. It has to go on like multiple 1,000 dates.
Really?
No. everything happens faster. So like
Sex,
you can
quick,
be-
everything.
everything.